Welcome to SS EduTech. Please like, share and subscribe channel. Today we are going to discuss about 10th class mathematics chapter wise formula part 2. Coordinate geometry. Distance formula. Distance between 2 points a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2. A into b is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance of a point from origin O 0, 0 is equal to root of x square plus y square. Section formula. We have two sections on there. A and B are the two line segments. P is the midpoint. M1 and M2. X equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 M2. M1 plus M2. Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Midpoint formula. A and B are line segment. P is the midpoint. X equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Area of a triangle. A of x1 y comma y1, B of x2 y2, C of x3 y3, that is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. If 3 points are collinear, then the area of triangle is equal to 0. Hence, half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Introduction of trigonometry. Sin theta is equal to p by h. Cos theta is equal to b by h. Tan theta is equal to p by b. Cosecant theta is equal to h by p. Secant theta is equal to h by b. Cot theta is equal to b by p. P means perpendicular. H is equal to, h is not height, h is equal to hypotenuse. B is equal to base. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Angles. Sin 0, 0. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 4. Sin 90 1. Cos 0 1. Cos 30 root 3 by 4. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Cos 90 degrees 0. Tan 0 0. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 45 1. Tan 60 degrees root 3. Tan 90 infinity. Theta is equal to angle here. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles have 180 degrees. Sin of 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Cos of 90 minus a is equal to sin a. Tan of 90 minus a is equal to cot a. Cot of 90 minus a is equal to tan a. Secant 90 minus a is equal to cosecant a. Cosecant 90 minus a is equal to secant a. Trigonometric identifies. మనం ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఫార్ములాస్ అనేవి ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. అలా చేయగలిగే ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి. సైన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా ప్లస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. 1 ప్లస్ టాన్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా. 1 ప్లస్ కాట్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కొసెకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ తీటా. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ రేషియోస్ ఆఫ్ కాంపౌండ్ యాంగిల్స్. సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్ ఏ కాస్ బి ప్లస్ కాస్ ఏ సైన్ బి. సైన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మైనస్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్ ఏ కాస్ బి మైనస్ కాస్ ఏ సైన్ బి. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Cot of a plus b is equal to cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Cot of a minus b is equal to cot a cot b plus 1 by cot b minus cot a. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. And another one is cos square b minus cos square a. cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b, cos square b minus sin square a. Tan of a plus b into tan of a minus b is equal to tan square a minus tan square b by 1 minus tan square a tan square b. Tan of a plus b plus c is equal to s1 minus s3 by 1 minus s2. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Click on bell icon for